Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, and I've just been to the store and grabbed these limited edition Oreo Space Dunk cookies, and we're going to turn them into a limited edition cookies and cream ice cream. So let's see how we do it. Yeah, what are they? Well, Space Dunk. Here you go, look. I'll put a bigger picture up on the screen. They are cosmic cream with popping candy. They have got pink and blue cream inside. Yep, popping candy. Cream tastes the same. Still that vanilla kind of flavour. Basically just tastes like, oh, you're getting it now. Getting some of that popping candy come through. For a bit of fun, let's create a double colour cookies and cream. Rather than make it, you know, vanilla flavoured, let's make this mint flavoured. So mint double colour cookies and cream ice cream. So for this ice cream recipe, we're gonna use 18% fat coffee cream, just because that's what I picked up from the store. So for this, we're gonna need 750 grams of coffee cream, 18% fat, 160 grams of sugar, 30 grams of dextrose, 50 grams of skim milk powder, and 2 grams of your stabilizer blend if you are going to use it. And we're gonna do 2 batches of this. One is gonna have red food coloring and one is gonna have blue food coloring. And we're probably gonna put mint in both of them. So let's get these bases mixed up. So like I said, I'm gonna make 2 batches, but there's no point me showing you both. In here, we've got our milk and our cream. In here, we've got our dextrose, our sugar, and our stabilizer blend. We're gonna stir this up, pop that in there. And this is our skim milk powder. That is also gonna go into there. Give this a quick stir, and let's get it on the hob. So on the hob it goes. Stir this until it comes up to 80 to 85 centigrade, which is this in Fahrenheit. If you're using a stabilizer, if you're not using a stabilizer, you don't have to go that high. You just have to warm it through to dissolve all the sugars. We're up to temperature now. We're going to turn the hob off, take it off the heat. We've already done our pink one in here, exactly the same process, just pink. Mint extract in here, mint extract in here. If you're going to use extracts in ice cream, always put them in after the heating phase has been done. If you put them in before and you heat it up, you lose a lot of that alcohol that these are made with, and you also lose some of that flavor profile that is linked to it as well. So add your extracts after the heating phase. If you're unsure, once your ice cream base has completely cooled down in the fridge, then add your extract. Then you get the strongest possible flavor. Now all we're gonna do is make this one blue. I'm using a gel food coloring. Let's make it nice and blue. Recommend you use gel food colorings. Try and get a food coloring that is designed to work in fat as opposed to water. If you can't, then don't worry about it. Just use whatever you've got to hand. That is definitely blue. Let's give it a nice overhead shot so you can see what we're trying to achieve here. So we've got our pink and our super blue. Achieve this. Once they're cooled down, we will come back, get them churning, and get these cookies cut up and in there. So while our machine is chilling down, we're going to take some, just the cookie parts, not the cream, and we're going to crush it up into a powder into here. Okay, those ready. Machine's chilled down. Let's get the first ice cream in. we're gonna get that in the freezer while we finish dishing this batch up and get the blue one straight in after. Next day, just to recap, we're making cookies and cream with the Oreo limited Space Dunk. It turns out actually that these are supposed to be marshmallow flavoured cream. Doesn't taste like that. So let's get some dished up and then we'll top it with something. Scoops beautifully, great double colour as you can see here, topped with some marshmallow. These are cookie centres. It's just a layer of each. So obviously under here, there we go. Under here we've got our ice cream here. And I mean, me personally, whenever I put marshmallow on something, you gotta flame it, surely. What does it taste like? Back to the moustache. So Oreo Space Dunk cookies. Bright blue, bright pink centers, popping candy. I've got it going mad in my mouth now. Marshmallow flavored cream, doesn't really taste like it, but we can do something about that. So what we've got is we've got a bright blue and a bright pink mint cookies and cream. It's delicious, just as you'd expect. And the mouthfuls with the cookie pieces in, you get that popping candy coming through, topped with our burnt marshmallow. You can make your own. You can also just go to the store and buy this. So this was a nice, fun, simple one to do. Hope you liked the video. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.